Izzy came to see you. Hi. I love you.
Oh, did she hug you? Can you give a hug, Magnus? Oh, can you give a kiss? Oh, she gives you hugs. He's trying. Yeah. Can you give kisses?
I have it on video.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing. Such a ladies' man. So crazy watching our kids play together. I love that they're the same age.
Yeah.
I mean, I know there's like 3 weeks, but whatever.
Whatever.
Hopefully she'll start being nicer to him. She's hugging him. Yeah, I'm still videotaping.
Oh, he hasn't quite figured out hugging.
Yeah, she hasn't figured out kissing.
Gotcha.
Well, he doesn't seem to mind it now.
No.
That's good. Maybe she's being more gentle.
Yeah. Probably. Oh, man. This is great.
Oh, my God.
She said that she should be able to come home with us soon.
So she'll be home tomorrow? There she goes again with tomorrow.
I think tomorrow might be a bit.
Mama said she was going to sleep in my bed with me. I thought you said that you weren't scared to sleep. Can't you sleep by
What's
yourself?
wrong, Izzy?
She's the one who's scared, not me.
Sorry, just trying to get it a good angle.
Sorry, you slept again. Oh no, I forgot all about that.
Are they talking to each other?
It's mostly Izzy.
May, sit down and eat.
There you go. Wrap it up so it stays fresh.
Izzy.